Hi there everyone, we've got another unboxing. Sorry I had to take the other videos off and delete them. This was, well, it was unpleasant as I had a nasty experience with a particular seller and I was threatened, so I took the actual videos down. There was nothing wrong with the videos, I will say now, but I thought, well, peace of mind, I took them down. So anyway, enough to be said about that. We got another box here from a gentleman in Germany. As I said before, we look at various sites that eBay has, the German site, UK site, and any other sites which might have the odd lamp available. It all depends. Anyhow, let me show you what's in here. I've got my good old trusted knife, which I'll slip that open, and I'll slip that on. So if there's any comments was made on those videos I deleted, I am sorry and I do apologise. It was a case of having to. I want to live in a peaceful world without all the aggravation, but I'm not allowed to, so I took it down. I'm not very good at unboxing stuff, as you can probably gather. It's either that or that knife is not very good. Probably the knife's not very good. Ah, right, we've opened it up, and as you can see, beautifully packed. Oh, I've got a bit of reading matter. Not that I'd be able to read it. Unfortunately, I don't speak German, which is a great pity, because a lot of my friends now are in fact German, and they can correspond with me because they can invariably speak English. Unfortunately, I cannot speak German or French or any other language. Probably can't speak English that good. And look at what I've always said, double box. Those lamps have been double boxed. I've told you what's in there, haven't I? Of course they're lamps. They should be. Really well packed. That's called double boxing. I can remove the box, and what we have inside we'll show you. Two lamps. Look at the way they've been packed. And, well, that's a surprise. I'll show you what I mean. Now, that is the way to pack lamps. Sorry to keep on about it, but I was shown a boxed bulb on another site, Instagram, which is very good as well, and how the person received this lamp in one piece I would never know. It was sort of a little bit of shredded, well, it looked like shredded paper, and the box of the lamp inside the box, and I'm sure it would have moved about inside, but anyhow he was lucky it did survive. I don't like taking chances like that. I'd much rather spend a little bit extra time and perhaps a little bit extra money to really do it well. And this box, as far as I'm concerned, is 100% good. Excellent. Now let me get the lamps out. As you can see, there's 2 lamps there, which is very nice. It means I've got one and my dear friend's got another one. So this is good. We can sort of, I think the bulbs are the same. So I think, let's have a look. That is very good. I'll take them out bit by bit from both. That is what I call excellent packing. And look what's in here as well. I didn't realise this. There we have one of the lamps. It's a carbon filament. There's my hand to give you an idea. Small Edison screw. And with a holder, small Edison screw holder, which is probably quite an old one as well. The lamp is certainly old. Let's take a close look. What we're looking at is the pinch, this part there. See, by doing this, it will save me doing a separate video on these lamps. You've got an unboxing and a video on the actual lamp. As you can see, it's pip top. It's a carbon 1 loop or 1 bow, if you like, intact. But the pinch looks to me like it is a platinum wire, not a Dummett type alloy. I don't know the maker. There's no name on it, but don't worry, it's quite an interesting lamp. Let's have a look at the other one. I think they're both the same. I think my mate Alec was going to be very pleased with these. He knows they're coming along. I've sent him a little photograph of the box, not with it opened yet. It's open now. I'll send him one. There's the other lamp, exactly the same. With exactly the same lamp holder, with slightly different inside. One's got a, yeah, it's slightly different, but anyhow, they're 2 very nice holders and old. There's the lamp again with its silvered wire in the pinch, which tells me it's platinum. The reason they used platinum was the expansion coefficient of platinum was exactly the same as glass, and by using that, as the lamp heated up, the expansion of the 2 items would be the same and the seal would remain intact. This is the idea behind it. Now with your Dummett metal, which is a mixture of copper and another metal which has slipped me, that also has the same coefficient of expansion, and that's what they used in the, obviously, lamps that are more up to date. Well anyhow, there's the lamp. I definitely can't see any name on it. I'm very pleased to get this, and if the sender happens to see this, I'll take a chance of saying very many thanks. I'm very pleased, and needless to say, my mate will be pleased as well. As I say, we're always skimming through eBay's, and if he finds something he normally lets me know, and vice versa. So there we are, two nice little lamps there. Any questions, please ask. I'll try and get back to you. We'll send a quick picture over on WhatsApp to my mate so he knows what to expect. I've already showed him a picture of the box unboxed, so he'll be seeing that as well. Anyhow, thanks again, and once again sorry I had to take down the other two, I don't know if it's 2 or 3 videos. It was only concerning one particular item, but I thought it made sense, so that's what I did. So least said about that, the better. It upset my day, and well, they say it's life, don't they? Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and any comments please make, and I will clear down. Thank you.